Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Ayush and you are watching Journalism Beat. So guys, we are back with another 25 questions of media aptitude, and with this video we will be completing around 100 important questions of media aptitude. If you are tense and worried that how you will be preparing for the media aptitude which is there in the entrance exam, so guys, believe me that half of your tension is going to chumantar after watching this video. We have made a complete package of around 100 questions that you can watch in the videos, and there are very high possibility of finding these questions in your entrance exam. So guys, do watch the video till the end. So, our first question is, who among the following has introduced the model of noise in his model of communication? The options are Wilbur Schramm, Charles Osgood, and the third option is Shannon and Weaver, and the fourth option is none among the following. So guys, Shannon and Weaver were the people who introduced the concept of noise in his model of communication. So our second question is, who produced the SMCR model of communication? The options are David Berlow, Charles Osgood, Wilbur Schramm, and the fourth option is Shannon and Weaver. So guys, David Berlow was the person who produced the SMCR model of communication. The full form of SMCR is sender, message, channel, and receiver. The third question is, which among the following are the sources of feedback? The options are self-feedback, customer feedback, listener feedback, or all of them. So guys, the right answer is all of them, because all of them are the sources of feedback. The fourth question is, in how many parts our communication is divided? So guys, the options are 4, 3, 2, or 6. So guys, the right answer is the process of communication is divided into 6 parts. Our fifth question is, vocabulary, grammar, sentences, format are the elements of which among the following communication? Verbal communication, oral communication, written communication, or none among them. So guys, grammar, vocabulary, these are the elements of written communication. Sixth question is, which among the following is the oldest form of mass communication? The options are print media, electronic media, digital media, or none among the following. The answer is print media. Print media is the oldest form of mass communication. Seventh question is, when was Bombay Gazette started? The options are in the year 1790, 1791, 1794, or 1793. The right answer is in the year 1791, Bombay Gazette was started. Eighth question is, electronic media includes dash. The options are movies, audio records, radio, or all among the following. So guys, electronic media includes all among the following. Our ninth question is, the word communication is derived from dash word. The options are Spanish, Latin, Greek, or English. So the right answer is the word communication is derived from the Latin word communication. 10th question is, broadcast journalism consists of dash. The option 1 is only radio news. Option 2 is newspaper news. Option 3 is television and radio news. And the fourth option is none among the following. So guys, the right answer is the broadcasting journalism consists of radio and television news. 11th is, which among the following is not a good quality of a journalist? Option 1 is irrational thoughts. Option 2 is obligation and promptness. Option 3 is good communication skills. And the fourth option is professional approach. So guys, the right answer is irrational thoughts are not the qualities of a good journalist. 12th question is, which was the first institute to start a formal education of journalism? The options are University of Columbia, option 2 is University of California, option 3 is University of Missouri, and the fourth option is none among the following. So guys, it was the University of Missouri who started the first formal education of journalism. 13th question is, which is the largest publishing newspaper state in India? The options are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, New Delhi or Rajasthan. So the state which produced the largest newspaper in the all over India is Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, in which form of folk media men plays the role of women? The options are Kirtan, Bhavai, Jatra or Dangi Tamasha. So guys, the folk media in which men play the role of women are Dangi Tamasha. 15th question is, Jakshagara drama is from which state? The options are Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu or Karnataka. So guys, the right answer is Karnataka. Jakshagara is a drama which is played in Karnataka. Our 16th question is, Jatra is a folk theatre of which state? The options are Odisha, Bengal, Chennai and the fourth option is both A and B. So guys, जो जात्रा है वो हमारा बंगाल और उड़ीसा दोनों के अंदर प्ले किया जाता है. 18th question is, which folk theatre is from Gujarat? The options are Bhavai, Jatra, Jakshagana or Kirtan. So the folk theatre of Gujarat is Bhavai. 19th question is, Thirukotu is a street theatre of which state? The options are Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Punjab or Kerala. So Thirukotu is a famous street theatre of Tamil Nadu. 20th question is, Bhavai begins with a devotional song in the honor of which god? The options are Amba and Ganesh. Option 2 is Parvati and Shiv. Option 3 is Radha and Krishna, and option 4 is Ram and Sita. So guys, the right answer is the theatre Bhavai begins with a devotional song of Amba and Ganesh. 21st question is, newspaper primarily perform which function? The options are correlation, entertainment or surveillance, and the fourth option is all of these. So guys, the newspaper primarily perform all these functions. 22nd question is, Vividh Bharati was started to compete with which station? The options are Radio Ceylon, Radio Star, Radio Gazette or The Times FM. So the right answer is Vividh Bharati was started to compete with Radio Ceylon. 23rd question is, radio broadcasting was started in which year? The options are 1920, 1921, 1922 or 1933. So the right answer is in the year 1920 radio broadcasting was started. 24th question is, television broadcasting was started in India in which year? The options are 1958, 1959, 1960 or 1961. The right answer is in the year 1959 the television broadcasting was started in India. Our 25th question is, which is our last question, the Constitution of India was enforced in which year? 1930, 1950, 1960 or 1980. So the right answer is in the year 1950 the Indian Constitution was enforced. So guys, I'm so happy that I have completed our goal of completing around 100 important questions of media aptitude, and if you have any query you can contact me on Instagram on the above ID. And apart from this, let's meet in the next video with another news. So thank you so much for watching the video.